I used AI to create a resume in 10 minutes. Most of the resumes never get seen because of the ATS filter. In this video, we're gonna test about the AI tool, create the resume in live and optimize it for the real job description. And most importantly, we are going to check the live resumes ATS score. So stay tuned, and also all the AIs that are used in this video are completely free, or you're gonna use the trial period, so you don't have to spend any money. Without any further delay, let's get started. So basically what we're going to do is, I have created a duplicate resume. So first what I will do, I'll just check the score of that resume. So let's go there. This is a sample resume that I have created. Let's upload it and check the score. So you can see 90% of the job seekers on Naukri have a stronger resume than yours. This is what we have currently. I'll just show it to you. Open this one. See, this is a resume that I have created. Then let's go to Gravity, right? So I'll give you the link in the description. So go to this website, log in with your email. If you already have an account, don't use that email. Create with a new email address. Come here and search for resume. So here you will see resume builder based on job description. Just click on this, and then what we have to do is update all the info from this one. Just copy paste it. Then let's say BBA is my qualification. I say like I have 1 year of experience. Let's say like anything you can type. And the job description, what we have to do is apply for any jobs and you can put it there. I just copy this job description and then copy it and come to Gravity, right, and paste it here. So now what we have to do is create content. So it will automatically create the content that needs for this job. Okay, this is a completely a free AI that can do this. Okay, you can also do a paid version, but for now we are just using it very free version. And I copy this and I go to Claude. See here, what we need to do is just say, please create a resume. Just type this, then it will take some time. Now what we have to do is do the preference. Now we paste the content that we copied from here in Gravity, right? So just do the search. Claude is automatically will create a resume for us. So you see, Naveen, Ravi free plan, you don't have to pay any money. You can just use the free version of this Claude. So just wait for it to load. As you can see, Claude has generated a beautiful resume for us. I'll just download it and I open it. So this is our new resume which AI created for us. So let's go back to our AI and upload this file and check how much score that we get. This is the updated one that we got. Let's upload it. See, now somewhere we were in this place, After writing with AI we got high. So if you have more relevant experience to the particular job, and I'm sure this will come to here and excellent. So the trick is, if you have any experience, apply for the job related to that. And if you don't have experience, if you are a fresher, what you have to do is show some internship certificates or experience which you are related to that. So that's the trick. I hope this will help you. This last 10 minutes would have been really helpful for you in your job search, because I know this trick has helped so many people that have asked me. So do let me know, try this method. If you get a job, update in the comment section so that other people will know this method is a real, genuine and working method. If you want me to make any other video particularly, do let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching. See you next video.